Hey, what's up? Wanted to check in again. So today was another green day. Hey, we're learning. I made a little more than yesterday, and um, the trades I did take were crazy. Like it was right at the tip right here. I should have moved this grid, but if you can see, let me see. See the candles right there, right? And I got in right there, got kind of fucking spooked. Um, but as you can see, it goes down. It was beginning to flip. The trend was here. I was seeing this lower, right, and pop back up, and then again lower, and then I just waited for it to retrace, and it was gonna continue this trend. It goes pretty low, so I was just looking for a good entry. I saw this right here. These buyers push up a little, but nothing happened. Again, buyers push up a little, nothing happened. So I was like, all right, the trend's looking bearish. Let's see. 1022, 1022. So we're just seeing it play out, right? Mm, yeah, 1022.48. So 1022.48. I'm actually in another trade too on my other account. It looks like it's gonna hit. I'm gonna just let it rock, bro. Look, if it keeps going down, or should I close out? I am at, yeah. I would see the footprint charts. That would help, but let's just close out. Nah, let's let it rock. Fuck it. Anyways, yeah. So this is still playing out, right? I got in at 1022.48, and that's kind of like that. That's the short that I got in, and it was. I was just waiting for this to come up so I can get a good seat right here. So I was like, okay, if they defend this area, cool. So I got in. I instant. It's going, and I'm just like I'm freaking out. So I get out the play, and it's cool. I made 312 on that play, and it. Let's see, I got out at 2252, so I've been got out already. So let's just go back a minute and see what happens. Um, let's see. Oh yeah, bro. Look, it hit. Let's fucking go, bucko. That's a good one. That's on my other account. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. Let's fucking go. Fuck yeah. Made 548 on that one. No, a little light shit, you know what I mean? Little light thing, yeah. Little fucking little Mastro money. Yeah. So anyways, my bad. Let me focus. I was like doing that double stuff, pause. So 1022.48. I get in 48. I get in right there. Boom. I got in. Boom. Instant. I saw this like barely tap this POV right here. So um and then I got out already. I should have fucking waited, bro. But I've been like a little like a cat just getting spooked out real quick. But the entries are cool. I can't do everything at once. So that's one thing I'm working on right now is my fear, right? I'm looking for the entries. I'm doing what I do good still, which is finding the entries, right? I'm fighting through the fear. Trust, bro. Like I'm acting like a little bitch. I know, whatever. But let me do the other play. I'm gonna show you real quick that I did. So this was another short. I was short biased today for sure because I was looking for shorts and the shorts were getting moves. This one was pretty cool. I saw it was breaking structure and I was learning that. So I'm kind of just focusing on that, right? So I saw here it made lower low right here from this candle to this. It closed below that candle, came up, held right here, and got in right there. So if you don't know how to do the replay, you just I have replay here. I'm not too sure what's here. I looked up a video on YouTube on how to make this how you like it. It's pretty cool because I can click on whatever I want, right? And so let me put in the time. So you put in 11, and then I got in at, I put it on the thing, 11:24. So do it from here, from like 24, 23, 22. All right, 11:22, just so we can get a feel of how I was locking in. Oh, and then I'll do this 20 seconds. That's the this when I skip it, right? So then this pops up. I don't really know what that says, but I just put okay. So, and it works fine. So it does it for all the charts in the chart book. So I got my DOM, I got my other big chart, and it's going. So let me move this out the way. So again, it was trending up, it was trending down, then trended up a little bit, and I figured it wasn't gonna go above this line. If I was mistaken, then hey, I'm mistaken. But so I got in at 11:24, 11:24:58. So 11:24:58. So I'm seeing here that, right, there was a lot of sellers trying to hold this area, which they were. So I figured, I'm like, they're gonna come and test this at least one more time, right? So 24:58. I'm looking. I'm like, okay, let me get a discounted price, bro. Come on, hook it up. I'm seeing, okay, let it go up. See, sellers came here. I was like, all right, let it go up a little bit more, and then uh, I just got in right there. Boom, in, because there were sellers were holding that. See, this was like a little battle right there, and then I got out real quick. Now I got out. I got out right there. I was just spooked out, bro. It keeps going down for a while. So, anyways, I learned more market structure. I learned all the good stuff, the basics, and that's helping me out a lot. I saw a TGR video yesterday that really helped me out, bro. Talking about it's like a boot camp series that he's doing, which is pretty legit, bro. It's a lot of mindset stuff, a lot of like inner work stuff, and the market structure, like the basics, is what you really need. So that's pretty cool, man. I'm grateful that you guys are listening, and I'm grateful that you guys are hopefully gaining something from this and seeing that little by little I'm doing my thing. So I'm gonna keep posting, and you'll see, you'll probably go back and watch videos of days that I do bad, days that I do good. And you just gotta keep pushing, keep on keeping on, brother. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and peace, bro. Hit those push-ups, too. Hit those push-ups, bucko. All right, peace, man.